स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hey guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia and my today's session is about why law after graduation. I'll start my session with a beautiful quote of Levi's F. Cons, which says, "The final test of civilization of a people is the respect they have for law. Every citizen must be aware of his rights and duties mentioned in the Constitution of India." Guys, whether you are an MBA, CA, CAS, BA, BBA, BTech, BSc, BCom or any other degree holder, you can pursue your law studies at any point of time after your graduation. The globe is becoming smaller and smaller day by day. Doing international trade is very common nowadays. So it is the need of an hour for every individual to know the law for the personal, social and professional safety. So on this note, let us move on to the next slide, which talks about the advantage of law after the graduation. Guys, the one of the biggest advantages of achieving a law degree is that you can pursue the career in law at any point of time once you have completed your graduation. आप अगर आपने आर्ट्स से कंप्लीट किया है, कॉमर्स से किया है या आपने साइंस से किया है, एनीवेयर इवन इफ यू आर अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट आल्सो गाइस, आप आराम से you can pursue your law degree. Okay, so this is the one of the most biggest advantage of becoming a lawyer, is that you can start your career with law after having a law degree at any point of time. And the next biggest advantage is that there is no age limit. I have students coming from who are the current practicing doctors. I have students from the military background. I have students who are doing business since years, guys. They are the businessmen, hardcore businessmen. They're coming here for either they have a personal or professional problems, or they have they have this desire for studying law. So अगर आपका कोई भी age है, so you can still enroll for your LLB degree. Okay, so there is no age limit to it. The next thing is that you get access to the moot courts, guys, to the research submissions, to the mock trial courts. Now these trial courts, these moot courts, give you the feel of the real courts. Ye experience it's a very good learning experience, guys. I request everybody who is joining the colleges that you should participate in the moot courts, which will boost your confidence tremendously. Next advantage is guys that the internship which you are doing after your graduation will be with the top law firms, corporates, NGOs and other such corporate levels, whereby आपका जो practical knowledge है वो बहुत ही boost हो जाएगा, and it will be very very easy when you will actually become a lawyer and enter into the field of law. So this is also a very big advantage by doing the internship. The next advantage is that the subjects like CRPC, that is this criminal procedure code, the Indian penal code, the contract law, ये जो बड़े बड़े नाम जो अपन ने अभी तक सिर्फ सुने हैं, आपके constitutional law, environmental law, all such laws which you have been just thinking about will be known to you within the 6 months to 1 year as you join this course. Over the this 3 years, which which is spread into the 6 semesters, all the laws they have covered. So 3 years के लिए ना कोई भी extra subject नहीं होता है. They are the hardcore law subjects. Okay, they are the hardcore because आप already graduate हो, so you will be having that understanding. So आपका curriculum ना 5 years से थोड़ा different होता है. Okay, so within the months you will be having a complete knowledge of Indian Penal Code जो अपन सुनते हैं ना दफा 302 and all those sections and all. So you will be very well aware with the sections. You will be very well aware with all the personal laws, that is your for your Hindu law, Muslim law, all those laws, your contract, environmental, Indian Penal Code, jurisprudence, everything, the civil procedure code, that is your CPC, all the laws will be, and within the 3 years within the 3 years you will come to know so many facts and so many, your rights, which will help you, as I told you earlier, on your social, personal and professional levels. Okay, so next in the slide is, I'm gonna tell you now, this slide will be a real eye opener to you, because I'm gonna tell you about the scope of, after achieving your law degree. गाइज मैक्सिमम टाइम आप लोग क्या सोचते हो कि एक बार लॉयर बन गए ना, तो बैठ के सिर्फ आपको कोर्ट में जाके सिर्फ केस लड़ना है. ओके, सो यू वांट टू हैव टू अटेंड द कोर्ट रूम्स ओनली, but there's much more to the law degree, not just the courtrooms. Okay, let me throw some more light on this topic. Guys, government services. Now, we all know that getting into a government department has never been an easy job. But if you are a law, if you have a law degree, you are a lawyer, then यहाँ पे थोड़ा shortcut मिल जाता है आपको, because everybody is not a lawyer, correct? Everybody is not holding this degree. So अगर आपके पास law का degree है, then you can get into the government services, where you will be advising government on the tax issues, employment issues, justice issues. ये सारे issues पे आप ना government को advise कर सकते हो. Next in the line is a legal advisor, which provides legal counsel to large corporation or organization. They are also called as in-house lawyers, or they are the corporate lawyers. Okay, so आप legal advisor भी बन सकते हो. Okay, so not necessary that you are visiting only courtrooms. Okay, आप एक चेंबर में बैठ के, एक अच्छे खासे ऑफिस में, MNCs में एक चेंबर में बैठ के भी काम कर सकते हो. Next in the line is the judiciary. Judiciary is one of the most prestigious job. अगर आपको सही तरीका पता है, if you know the correct way to go to it, then at a very young age, guys, you can become a judge. Okay, so if you are opting for a correct mentorship, then आपको सही guidance मिलता जाएगा, and then you will pursue a career regarding your judiciary system. Next is a legal outsourcing. This is also very in nowadays, guys, whereby all the foreign companies are outsourcing their legal work to us, because as I told you that the globe has become very small. Everybody are working on an international level, so they outsource their legal work to us. So legal outsourcing is also very in nowadays, and it is also very well paid job, guys. Private companies, this is what most of the law graduates look for this job, correct? The big law firms give you big checks and a chance to work on big cases that may even get press or TV attraction. Okay, अगर बड़े बड़े जो cases होते हैं उसमें you can get a very good exposure. So not necessary कि आप court rooms जा रहे हो, you can have a good 9 to 6 job also in private companies. Now, media and publication, guys, if you are good to if you are good in writing, or you are good in talking, then this is the profession for you. Okay, media and publication. And on the top of that, if you have a law degree, then I'll tell you, media and publication is one of the most successful careers for lawyers. Why? Because nowadays legal news is also very big news. हर एक टीवी चैनल, हर एक पेपर, सब न्यूज़ को कवर करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे भी आपका स्कोप बहुत हाई हो जाता है. Next is the academia in the line. Academia is what it is about, teaching and the research. Okay, as I told you that अगर आपने कोई भी डिग्री ले लिया, जैसे आपका CA हो गया, CS हो गया, आजकल डबल डिग्री लेते हैं. So everybody is looking for the LLB degree. So teaching line, research line, ये सब भी बहुत ही in है nowadays. Okay, next is the line is the politics. You will be surprised to know that the many big politicians in our country are nothing but they are the lawyers, guys. It is a very good way to enter into politics. Leaders like Shri L.K. Advani ji, Pranab Mukherjee, ये लोग सारे क्या है, they are the lawyers. They were the hardcore practicing lawyers. They had such a good background and experience, whereby the political career was also on a very good rise. Okay, next is the corporate counsel. As I told you, again, they are the persons who are working in the big corporates, and they are counseling over there. They might be counseling on the topics like contracts, partnerships, company act. ये सारे जो चीज़ होती है ना, वहाँ पे काम आती है, because there are big mergers going on, so there is arbitration and conciliation. ये सारी चीज़ होती है, whereby you are studying all these laws, and which will help you immensely once you get into corporate counsel, guys. Next in the line is solicitors, guys. Solicitors are the is again a very prestigious thing in India over here. They deal with business matters, contracts, conveyance, wills, inheritance, etc. They even represent the clients in the कोर्ट्स गाइस. एक बार आपने है ना अगर इनिशियल लेवल पे किसी अच्छे सॉलिसिटर को आपने असिस्ट कर दिया तो आपके करियर को बहुत अच्छा बूस्ट मिलेगा एंड विद इन द 5 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस यू योरसेल्फ विल बी एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड लॉयर. ओके, सो लीगल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स वो होते हैं जो ये सॉलिसिटर्स वगैरह को असिस्ट करते हैं. ओके, दे असिस्ट सॉलिसिटर्स, गिव लीगल एडवाइस, prepare case papers, then they draft legal documents. Okay, so even this at the level of the legal executive also you are earning very well. Okay, and next 5 years may by God's grace even you can become a good solicitor. Guys, so this is it. I wanted to draw your attention to the various things that you can do after having a one degree, that is your law degree. It is not only about the courtrooms, it is about drafting, it is about being a good counselor. You can do so many things. You can enter the politics, you can become a teacher. There are lots and lots of scope once you have a single degree, that is your law degree. Okay, so guys, having spoken about all this, how you can pursue your law degree, so getting entrance, getting admitted into the college you desire, you need to pass this entrance exam. Okay, you need to pass this entrance exam, that is maybe you need to pass your LSAT India, your MH Law CET 3 years, which is applicable for whole of the Maharashtra, correct? Then DULLB, that is a Delhi University, BHU, that is your Banaras Hindu University, or any other law entrance. So आपको जिस college में admission लेना है, you have to inquire कि वहाँ पे कौन सी entrance exam, they are following which entrance exam, and accordingly you have to apply for that entrance exam and you have to clear that. Now let me tell you that because of the awareness about law, getting into the desired college has become very very tough. You have to crack this entrance exam with the best score. You have to know the syllabus, guys. You have to know the syllabus proper of this entrance exam. You have to know the types of questions. You need to know all the shortcut tricks. You need to know कि कितने टाइम में कौन सा सम सॉल्व होना चाहिए. You should solve the correct content with of the mock test also, which are the replicas. So ये सारी चीज़ें आपका follow कब होगा? When you have a right mentorship. When you have a correct mentorship, then only this can be followed. We here at Manoeuvre have mentors who appear this entrance exam every year, so we know what are the changes going on in the entrance exam. And whenever it is we are talking about entrance exam, you have to be ready with all the surprise element, correct? कुछ भी questions वो लोग पूछ लेते हैं. Okay, so when you have to know the syllabus and you have to know what different types of questions are being posed. So this is very very important. You have an experienced mentor, a mentor who is appearing the paper, correct? So don't fall in the trap. Okay, just check whether the mentors are the correct mentors or not. Okay, so we here at Manoeuvre have mentors who have specialized in all this section. Now this slide is talking about this section which will be you will be facing during your entrance exams. Okay, on the D day you have to do all these sections. That is your legal aptitude section. Now एक बात समझो, आप लोग lawyers नहीं हो, then also they are asking you legal questions. So what they have done is they will mention you the principle, and ये principle पे एक facts होगा. Okay, and on this facts there will be 4 options mentioned और आपको ये 4 में से एक सही option चुनना है. Now this is gonna be quite lengthy. The principle itself is gonna be quite lengthy. The facts is gonna be lengthy, and then you have to read the 4 options and you have to mark the correct option. Then only you will be getting 1 mark. So it is not possible for you to कि वहाँ पे जाके आप आराम से पेपर पढ़ो और हो जाएगा. No, you should be aware about all the legal terms, all the types of questions that have been posing, like contract, torts, Indian Penal Code, Constitution. All those things have to be very much clear in your mind. Then only you can solve the entire thing, and that also accurately within 1 minute. Okay, so we have the correct mentors who appear paper every year, and they know what is going on with the entrance exam. Next in the line is GK and current affairs. We have an entire team working on this topic day and night to serve you with the best PDFs and with the best content, because entrance exam में GK and current affairs में you are not sure कि कौन सा क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे. सो पढ़ाई का स्कोप भी बहुत बड़ा होता है. वैसे ही उस पर जो काम करना पड़ता है वो भी उसके लिए भी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड लोग चाहिए. देन ओनली you will come out with flying colors. Otherwise everything is in vain. Next is logical reasoning and aptitude. Shortcuts and shortcuts guys. उसके बगैर ये आपका ये सेक्शन सॉल्व ही नहीं होगा, बिकॉज द पजल्स इफ अगर आप आराम से करने बैठोगे तो आप 5 मिनट लगा दोगे एक पजल को, एंड दैट ऑल्सो नॉट श्योर कि आपका करेक्ट आंसर है कि नहीं. सो राइट मेंटरशिप अगेन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन guys. Next in the line is your English, which covers your reading comprehension and grammar and your vocab and all sort of things. Okay, let me tell you very frankly, 3 years का English 5 years से comparatively थोड़ा ज़्यादा tough होता है, because you guys are graduate, they are just 12th pass, so there's a lots of difference in this 3 years. So 3 years का English थोड़ा tough level पे होता है, whereby paragraph jumbles के भी sentences थोड़े ज़्यादा lengthy होते हैं, vocab भी fill ups के लिए भी थोड़े अच्छे level के पूछते हैं. So reading is very very much. Again, a mentor who have been appearing the paper, they know what types of questions appear, then only it will be a great help to you. So we here at Manoeuvre can help you with the books guys. We have the correct content in the books, we have the mock test which are the replicas. ओके, वी हैव द सेक्शनल कोर्स ऑल्सो. लाइक अगर आपको एंटायर कोर्स के लिए नहीं जाना है, सिर्फ आपको जीके के लिए जाना है, देन वी हैव द सेक्शनल कोर्स ऑल्सो. वी हैव द फुल कोर्स ऑल्सो विच विल गिव यू द लाइव लेक्चर्स, द मॉक टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, एंड वी हैव द लाइव लेक्चर्स ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक. सो ये ऑनलाइन जो प्रोग्राम है उसके लिए you have to call us on 8828581455, or you can visit us at manoeuvreedu.com law entrance. Okay, and the link has been mentioned in the description also guys. We are located at Borivali, Dadar, Vasai, and very shortly after we are coming to Pune also guys. Okay, so right now the centers are not working, we are only online. Okay, so do contact us on this number and our admins will be really happy to help you. For any other information also you can call us and talk to us. Okay, so all the best, and I hope you are studying the right syllabus for the entrance exam, which is the key to your successful career. All the best and thank you.